Hello everybody, in this video we are going to discuss the concept of overlays. So let me define what exactly you mean by overlays. So overlays we are going to use so that we are able to execute the program whose size is larger than the amount of memory allocated to it. So if we check what the main objective of using this kind of overlays is to keep only the instructions and data required for the execution of the program into the main memory, and the other instructions we are going to store or load whenever they are required, and they are going to occupy the space of the previous instruction which we are not going to use further. Okay, so these are the points. You can go through it and I'll be explaining this concept with the help of example. So let us move to the example where I have considered the 2-pass assembler. Okay, and in this 2-pass assembler I have taken certain component, and the size of each and every component will be something like this. I have taken it in the form of table. So the pass 1 size is 70 KB, pass 2 is 80 KB, symbol table is 20, and common routines is 30. Okay, so also here when I am considering this example, I am specifying that the available memory space is 150 KB. So if you calculate the total size of this program or the 2-pass assembler, it is of size 200 KB. But the available memory size is 150 KB. So by using the concept of overlays, I am going to execute this program with the available size of 150 KB. So let us see how exactly we are going to do that. So here for the reference purpose I have taken the same table here. So during the pass 1 I am going to construct the symbol table by using the common routine. So I have to load pass 1, symbol table and common routine during the pass 1, and since there is no work of pass 2 during pass 1, so I am not going to load this. So if you calculate the total amount of memory required, it will be 70 KB for pass 1, symbol table 20 KB and common routine 30 KB. So overall during pass 1 the memory space required is 120 KB, okay, which is less than the available memory space of 150 KB. Okay, afterwards during pass 2 we are going to generate the machine language code, and during this pass we need not have this pass 1 on the main memory. So we are going to replace the pass 1 on the main memory with pass 2. So now the overall memory required is 130 KB. So once again by using the concept of overlay we can execute pass 2. Okay, so like this we are able to execute the program whose size is 200 KB with the available size of 150 KB of memory. Okay, so this is the basic concept of overlays. Hope you people understood how exactly this overlays concept works. So now let us see how the visual or the diagram of how this overlays work. So as I have told you, during pass 1 only the symbol table, common routine and pass 1 is loaded onto the main memory, whose size will be somewhere around 120 KB. Now here in this one we are having one more concept called overlays driver. Okay, this overlay driver is going to decide during pass 1 which part of the program is going to loaded, and during pass 2 which part of the program is going to be loaded. Okay, so during pass 1 we need not have pass 2, so pass 2 will be residing on the disk only, and during pass 2 overlay is going to remove pass 1 from the main memory and load pass 2. Okay, this is the same concept what I have explained in the previous slide. Okay, now if you see the advantages of this overlays, it requires very small amount of memory for executing larger programs, and it does not require any kind of support from the operating system. And one more advantage of this one is we have to implement the concept of overlays by the user themselves. Fine. Then if you see the disadvantages, the disadvantage is that we can have, or certain microcomputers will have limited physical memory and they lack certain hardware support for implementing the advanced technique. Okay. The second advantage is the programming design of overlays will be complex. Okay. So these are the certain advantages and disadvantages of overlays. Hope you people understood the concept of overlays and how exactly we are going to use them while executing the program whose size is more than the size of memory space allocated to it.